Hi, welcome to #homemade. Today let's see how to make South Indian style drumsticks and coconut sambar in an instant pot. The instant pot I'm using is an Instant Pot Ultra, and here is a list of the ingredients. First, to start with the recipe, add 1.5 cup of dal in an instant pot and add 2.5 cups of water to it. Now keep the lid on. Set the instant pot to pressure cook mode. The timer to 12 minutes and the pressure on high. Once the cooking is done, press cancel. Let the pressure release naturally. Now mix the dal. You can see that it's perfectly cooked. Now put the instant pot on saute mode, temperature on medium and press start. Add 2.5 cups of water to the cooked dal. And add the rest of the ingredients as follows: some salt, 2 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped, few red pearl onions, 1 small lemon-sized tamarind soaked in lukewarm water, 8 to 10 drumsticks, 4 to 5 chilies. Now mix this and let it come to a boil. Add 1.5 cups of coconut milk. A 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Few roughly chopped cilantro. Mix this and let it simmer for 10 more minutes. Now after that, check the consistency and turn off the instant pot. Now for tempering, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let the ghee melt. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 4 pods of garlic crushed, 4 dry chilies, 1 tablespoon of grated coconut, and 4 curry leaves. Now add this to the sambar. And serve it hot. Have this with some white rice and potato fry on the side. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel to get updates on more videos.